If you're choosing between the Sony Xperia 1 Viii and the iPhone 17 Pro, it really comes down to how you use your phone. Let's start with the iPhone 17 Pro. This is the easy pick for most people. You get super consistent point-and-shoot cameras, top-tier performance from the A19 Pro chip, and a smooth iOS experience that just works. Plus, Apple's 7-year update support means this phone will stay relevant for a long time. If you want reliability, gaming performance, and a strong ecosystem, this is it. Now the Xperia 1.8 is a different story. This one is built for creators. You get manual camera controls, Zeiss optics, a physical shutter button, microSD expansion, and even a headphone jack, things you just don't see on iPhones anymore. It's more like a mini DSLR in your pocket. So here's the verdict. Go iPhone for simplicity and long-term stability. Go Xperia if you actually want control over your photos, videos, and media.